بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أيها الطلبة الأعزاء، سنتحدث اليوم عن الورقة الامتحانية للصف الحادي عشر في مادة اللغة الإنجليزية للعام الدراسي 2022-2023. سنتطرق إلى كل سؤال وسنعطي بعض النصائح في طريقة حل هذه الأسئلة، فنتمنى الاستفادة للجميع وعلى بركة الله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So this is for grade 11 core semester 1 first session. This is from the previous year exam which was 2021 and 2022, but anyway the format is going to be the same for this year also. So first of all we are going to have four questions. First of all, the listening. The listening is going to be 15 marks. The grammar and vocabulary 10 marks. Then we have the reading 20 marks, and the last thing is going to be the writing. And the writing is going to be 15. The total marks for the exam is going to be 60. So we'll start with the listening. Question 1, which is listening 1, is going to be a dialogue or a conversation between two people or more than two people, and you have to listen, then you answer. The first question is going to be like what you have in here. You will have 7 items from item 1 to item 7, which is about, you have a sentence and there is a missing piece of information in the sentence, and for this missing information you will have 3 options. So this is a multiple choice question. You will listen and you choose the correct answer as you listen. So as you can see, we have here from 1 till 7, which is 7 marks for listening 1. Then this is listening 1. Listening 2, we move now, or we shift to listening 2. Listening 2, usually you will listen to something. You are going to hear something about maybe a story, about a review like we have here, about something informative. They are informing you with something, regarding something. So item 8 to 15, we have here 8 items if you count them, but in this listening we have 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. You will listen for each one individually twice. So part 1 you will listen to it 2 times, then you will listen to part 2 2 times. Part 1 is going to be about writing a short answer. As you can see here, we have a short answer, not more than 4 words. And in this one, they are examining your listening skills. They are not examining or testing your writing skills. So here the spelling is not that important. You try to write anything, you listen, don't skip it, don't leave it and you say I cannot write anything, because as I said here, they are testing your listening skill, they are not testing your writing. So the spelling here is not that much important. So part 1, as I said, they are going to be it's going to be only a short answer. You write a short answer, not more than 4 words. You have from 8 till 11. Part 2 is going to be about the same topic, but the questions are going to be multiple choice, same as listening 1. You have here one sentence and there is missing information in this sentence. You have 3 options for, or distractors for, the missing information in the sentence. You listen and you try to get the answer. You choose the correct answer. So this is the listening. You have 2 questions in the listening, and one advice I can give you is you read and you study the questions before the teacher arrives. Make sure that you understand everything, you read everything before, because once the teacher gets in the classroom, you will have no time to study the task. They will be given only 30 seconds to study each task. So 30 seconds, I guess, is not enough time. You have to read them before the teacher comes into the classroom and make yourself ready for the questions. So this is the listening. Now we go to the vocabulary. We have vocabulary question. In the vocabulary, it's the word completion task. You will have here the type of the word, you will have the definition of the word, you will have it used in a sentence, you will get also the initial letters of the word, and you will get also the missing letters. Now you should complete the word with how many missing letters are there. Like for one here, the example that we have, it's an adjective and extremely beautiful or attractive, not clean. Here we have the example or the sentence, your dress is really, we have STUN. These are the initial letters and we are missing 4 letters, so you should complete the 4 letters. And in here the spelling is very important, so make sure that your spelling is correct all the time. And this question is worth 2.5 marks. So each one or each item is half a mark. Then we'll go to the grammar. This is vocabulary, and we go to the grammar, which is you complete the sentence, each sentence from item 6 till item 10. You complete the sentence with only one word. And it's about grammar, it's not about vocabulary. And sometimes the grammar is not about the grammar you have or you had during the semester. Sometimes it's about something previously studied. So you have to make sure to write the correct answer in here. And the spelling usually is also here important. So this is also, we have in total we have 5 sentences or 5 statements, and each sentence will worth only half a mark. The total will be 2.5. Then we have another question also for the grammar and vocabulary, and this one is a mixture. It's a mix with grammar and vocabulary. You will have a short text with 10 blanks or spaces, and for each space we have 4 options or distractors. You have to choose the correct answer, and as I said, this is grammar and vocabulary. It's a mixture of grammar and vocabulary, so you have to choose the correct answer from the option given for you. So if we have, now we take 11 as an example, so mobile phone was, then we have the options for 11. You choose, is it discovers, is it discovering, is it discovered, or is it discovery? So you choose from these options for 11 and you shade in the bubble. So this is the grammar vocabulary, and this is question 3 in grammar and vocabulary, and it worth 5 marks. So in total the grammar and vocabulary 10 marks. Then we go on to the reading. Reading 1, we have item 1 to 5. We have short text, and under this short text we have a statement, and in this statement you choose, is it true or false? So you have to read the statement, you understand the statement, and then you go for the text, and you try to understand, and you get the answer. So you will have 5 items or 5 short text with statement, and you choose this statement is true or false according to the text. So this is reading 1. Then we go to reading 2. Reading 2, you will have a text about telling you something about, like we have here, online shopping. So it's an informative text. You will have an informative text, and you will have 7 questions or 7 items for the text. What about these questions, or what about these statements? You will have it in the next page. You will have what we have in listening 1. If you remember, we talked about listening 1. You have statement with missing information, with blanks, and for this missing information you will get 3 options, so you choose the correct one. So here we have 7 items from 6 till 12, 7 items, and each one worth 1 mark. So in total, reading 2 is 7 marks. Then we go to the reading 3. Reading 3, usually you will have a narrative text. They are narrating something for you. You will have the text, and you will have some questions, which are the items 13 till 20. Now, the type of the questions or the statement will have 2 tasks. Task 1, you write a short answer from the text. They are going to be a WH word questions for you in here, from item 13 till item 16. So we have 4 items. You write a short answer, not more than 4 words. It's only a short answer. You will get the answer from where? From the text that you have. And then task 2, which is a multiple choice. You have a statement from 17 till 20. You have a statement with some missing information in it, and then what you need to choose the correct option, the correct answer for the statement. And again, from where? From the text. You should read the text, you should read the questions first, you understand them, then you go to the text and you read. And try for the reading, for example, we have here a long text. Try for each paragraph to write what is it about. You write only a short idea about it in order to help you answering the question. So this is the reading, and as I said, the reading at the beginning of this short video, it's 20 marks, so you have to pay attention for the reading. Then we go for the reading. Sorry, for the writing. Writing 1 is going to be, you will be given a topic, maybe a question, maybe a topic, maybe something you write about. You should carry on writing about this topic. So which we call it informative writing. So you should write about this topic, the given topic. Like we have here the example, you should write at least 85 words on the following topic, which is different ways teenagers spend their free time. And your writing should be clear and organized. You have to write it nice. You should write like an introduction, and in introduction you should have a topic sentence, and in the topic after that you will have something we call it a supporting idea, and then we have like you support your topic sentence with examples, for example, and so on. you should make your writing very clear and organized in order to get 5 marks out of 5. So this is writing 1. Then writing 2. Writing 2 is going to be, as we said, interactive writing, which is writing an email or a letter. You will have a situation, you have to stick with the situation. Here you are Samia or you are Sami, you are given names, so you should stick to the names here. You didn't write something from your own. You have to stick with the situation that you are in, and you write an email or you write a letter about the topic given in here. And this is 10 marks, so you have to pay attention with it also. As we said, in writing an email, you should have an introduction, you should have the main body, then you have conclusion. You know how to start the email by writing dear and so on. You know how to finish the email also. So all of these things are very important to follow and to write in the writing. At the end, I hope that this discussion about the format of the examination paper for grade 11 core was beneficial for you, and إن شاء الله نلتقي في دروس أخرى. مع السلامة.